Hello, I'm SSS May 22. Happy second anniversary SSS family. This is my final entry ng SSS The Voice of the Challenge. Have you ever seen the rainbow Rod Stewart? Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever all it goes through the circle, fast and slow. I know it can't stop. I wonder, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Hope you like it, man.